Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence, and today we are going to talk about something that my subscribers are asking me from quite a time now. So most of my subscribers are asking me that we have been observing a various YouTube channels coming up with the strategies that we can follow and make a money. So what is my take on this particular strategy? Like weekly expiry strategy. Some people are coming up with the strategy like sell a call and sell a put and a both, and they are coming with the various ratios and like that. Apart from that, there are some opening pricing strategies, like if the particular candle opens at a particular level, with if the market is moving up. And I don't know, various strategies people are coming up with and people are trying. Sometimes they are also losing money. In a recent time, I one of subscriber came up to me with the YouTube link to a YouTube video wherein the person has explained that they have back tested it thoroughly, and the strategies are for the working professionals, and they are providing with the risk management strategies. And I can just by observing a video, I can find a simple basic flow in this particular strategy that the other could not find out due to their lack of knowledge. I'm not saying that I have a much knowledge, but since I have spent a more amount of time researching this particular field, I can and I shall understand what the particular person is talking about in depth. So then I go ahead and check a YouTube channel, and the various videos are there. So basically, I'm not defaming anyone or any YouTube channel or any particular blogger or something like that, but what I'm trying to suggest is people are coming up with the various strategies, and they are suggesting that if you employ this particular strategy, you will make money. And so what's my particular take on that? And since I am also offering a particular kind of strategy, how am I different from other YouTubers, and what are the difference between me and other YouTube channels? So generally I don't do this kind of video, but since I have been since my subscribers have been insisting me from quite a time, so this is a final video that I'm making. I'm not going to make any other video. So let me first clear the air, and let me tell you very clearly that no particular strategy, a single isolated strategy, will work for a longer period of time, because the market participants are very sharp and the market moves in a complete random fashion. So if you're observing a particular strategy, like if this indicator is suggesting buy or sell or oversold or overbought, and you can make money all the time, that is not going to happen. Also, there is no guarantee that particular indicator will work with some percentage of accuracy. That is not going to happen at all. So people are coming up with the challenge like my challenge, and 400% return, 500% return, and this strategy works 100 times. I have back tested it thoroughly, all that. So I don't believe in all this stuff. These are all bullshit, what I feel, because you can never say that the particular thing will work in a particular fashion each and every time, because the market moves in a random fashion. You cannot and shall not try to predict it. But what you can do is you can check various indicators, a particular moving averages, or you can check the option chart data which is real, which is suggesting some kind of move, and then you can backtest it. And if the things is working consistently, you can say with a reasonable level of certainty that okay, this particular move will happen. So now let me come to my particular channel, and what is the difference between me and other technical YouTube channels. So if you see me, I am very passionate about the market, and the only reason is that because I love to predict the numbers, and I come up with my math and try and test it. So whatever the analysis that you are observing is my work of 5 to 6 years. So I have on each and every day I try and analyze the market. You I don't think you will find any channel who updates a video on the Nifty and Bank Nifty on a daily basis. If you see and observe my channel, I update daily video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, technical analysis, using the same strategy that I have been pitching for since the beginning of my YouTube channel. So uh, this kind of conviction conveys some sort of seriousness that the particular person is having. So it's been, I think, more than 200 250 plus videos, and each and every day I am making a video. So that there has been no particular, no, there is no single day that I missed the market. So that is kind of consistency I have been following, but it does not guarantee the success that everyone should look up to me. But what I'm trying to suggest is, I do not follow a particular strategy. I follow an entire system which covers many things. Like I consider the candlestick pattern which conveys the market participants' behavior. Then I also try and include everything that I can, like candlestick, moving average, Fibonacci number, technical indicators, option chart data. So all those things that I include gives me some sort of confidence. And the most important part is I arrive at a level where I can feel the ratio, the risk reward ratio is comfortable. So what I feel is, if you are taking a small risk for and aiming for a bigger profit, it makes sense. And if you have been testing the data for a quite particular period of time, you are having your own reports that suggest some kind of consistency. You have been doing it for a, I mean, quite period of time. So this sort of things gives you confidence, and you are not considering a particular strategy, a particular indicator, or particular item in isolation. You are considering everything, like technical analysis. We consider moving averages, Fibonacci, all other indicators, and we also consider option chart data. So our analysis, my analysis, is based on many things. So what I feel is, if you try and consider particular strategy which is based on solely a particular moving average or particular indicator, I think I have a fair chance of winning, because I'm considering the more thing. So if more number of indicators or more number of strategies are suggesting a buy, then you can go for it. And with that also, we are also try and check risk reward. So I think it makes a sense to go for particular strategy if the more indicators are hinting toward a particular move and you are getting a favorable risk reward. So that's it for my analysis and my video. I am not following any strategy, I am following entire system, and I have been doing it for quite amount of time. Still, I don't guarantee for any profit or any loss, but what I feel is, you should trade market whenever you feel comfortable with. And also, one of the most important thing that I also emphasize for the upcoming technical analysis, that you should never lose a touch with the market for any single day, and you should try and analyze the market using the same strategy that you have been observing and you have been practicing. So what I'm doing is, if you can see, now it's 250 plus videos. I have been analyzing the market using the same strategy, using the same system, and for a quiet period of time. And you can also see the result that we have been getting for the past couple of times since I have been uploading videos. So that's it. That the only thing I wanted to convey. People are suggesting a various strategies, but I would not like to comment on that. But one thing is sure, market is very smart, market is very random, and any particular strategy in an isolated strategy will not work for a long period of time. It might work for some period of time, but what you need to do is, you need to genuinely analyze the market, and that's what we are doing. I am not suggesting that there is a bearish crossover so you can go short, or there is a bullish crossover so you can go long. But we are also considering the various another strategies. And I think if you are with me on my YouTube channel, and if you have been observing my videos, you will feel that I am taking that flexibility of not going with my own analysis and trying to come up with the various strategies or various systems that can convey some sort of behavior or market participants expectation. So that's it for the today's video. That's only thing I wanted to convey, that you need to follow a particular system or a longer period of time to gain the confidence, and you need to do it consistently to be sure that you will be able to identify that risk reward ratio that can help you make money. So that's it for the today's video, guys. As always, if you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family, and as always, if you have any doubt, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. If you want to learn how we are analyzing the market, check out the description of this video. You will get a link. Thank you.